If you're planning to use USCIS online services, you'll need to create an account first. Here's how to do it, step by step. Start by going to the official USCIS website. At the top of the page, you'll see a sign-in button. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, choose Create an Account. Once the new page loads, type in your email address. After that, check your inbox for a message from USCIS. Open the email and click the link inside to continue. You'll now be asked to read the terms of service. After reading, click the button that says, I understand. Next, it's time to create a password. It has to be at least 8 characters long. Try to use a mix of letters and numbers so it's strong. Once you've made your password, hit Submit. Now you'll need to set up two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security. You can choose to receive codes through an app, a text message, or your email. Pick the method that works best for you and click Submit. USCIS will send you a code based on the method you selected. Type that code in the box and hit Submit again. After that, they'll give you a backup code. This is important in case you ever lose access to your device. Make sure to save that code somewhere safe. Next, you'll need to set up your security questions. These will help you recover your account if you ever forget your password. Once you've filled those in, click Submit. And that's it. Your USCIS account is now ready to use.